What's up friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to view the most recent comments for a product on Temu. So once you find a product that you're interested in guys, you can see the amount of comments or the amount of ratings that this product has. And let's take this one here that has 2,800 comments. So I'm going to tap on this product here. And in order to view the most recent comments for this product, you want to scroll down to where you have the section that says item review, and you can see recommended. Now, the recommended might not be the most recent one. You want to tap on most recent. As you can see, when you tap on that, it gives you the most recent comments. So as you can see, the most recent one here is today, is actually the 18th of January, which when I'm recording this video, and you can see it says published today. So these are the most recent one. If you're looking to decide on a product, you might want to check the most recent comment to see what people are talking about. And of course, you can also go between different comments and so forth here. And that's it. Very easy and very simple how to view the most recent comments in Temu.